Assalamu alaikum. Welcome all to Easy Human Anatomy channel. In this video I discuss how to identify any covering epithelial tissue. In this video I particularly discuss the simple covering epithelium. You know the epithelial tissue are two types, covering epithelium and glandular epithelium. Covering epithelium is also two types, simple epithelium and stratified epithelium. Simple epithelium means when cells are arranged in a single layer. Stratified epithelium means when cells are arranged in a multiple layer. This is one cell layer, this is another cell layer. Simple epithelium is four types according to the shape of the cell. Simple squamous epithelium, simple cuboidal epithelium, simple columnar epithelium and pseudostratified ciliated columnar epithelium. So this is simple squamous epithelium. The cells are flattened and rest on the basement membrane. The nuclei is oval in shape but flattened. This is the histological slide of the simple squamous epithelium. This bulge nuclei is the nuclei of the flattened nuclei of the simple squamous epithelium, and cytoplasm, you cannot see cytoplasm. So this is the surface view of the simple squamous epithelium. Like this egg, this is the oval nuclei. If you cut this egg like this, cross sections of the simple squamous epithelium, you see this nuclei is look flattened. The simple cuboidal epithelium, the height and width of the cells are the same, and at the center, nucleus present at the center, and shape of the nuclei is the round. So this is histological slide of the simple cuboidal epithelium. You see the height and width of the cells are the same and centrally placed round nuclei. Simple columnar epithelium, height is more than the width, and shape of the nuclei is oval and present basally and leaving a pinkish area, apical pinkish area. So this is the histological slide of simple squamous epithelium. You can easily identify simple squamous epithelium by seeing the shape of the nuclei is oval and is basally placed and leaving a pinkish white area of cytoplasm. The pseudostratified ciliated columnar epithelium, this is also a simple epithelium, but there is a two shape of the cells are present. Some cells are short and some cells are tall, but all are rest in the same basement membrane. So, but the level of the nuclei is not same. In other epithelial tissue, level of the nuclei is the same. Level of the nuclei is the same. Level of the nuclei same. But here, nuclei placed in the different level, like stratified epithelium. This is transitional epithelium. Like this epithelium, there is a different level of nuclei. Nuclei are placed in different levels, so it look like stratified epithelium. So how can you identify this epithelium? You see, this is a field. There is a tall tree. This is a short tree. So, but all are the present in the same field. Like this, all cells are rest in the same basement membrane, and you see this is the cilia. There is a irregularity in the apical region. You can easily identify the cilia by irregularity of the apical region. You can see other epithelium. This is simple columnar epithelium. There is no irregularity. There is no irregularity. But this irregularity of the apical region, you can easily identify the cilia, and you can see there is a pinkish apical cytoplasm. So obviously it is a columnar epithelium. Then you look, there is not a single nuclei level, there is a multiple level of nuclei. So this is obviously pseudostratified ciliated columnar epithelium. So this is all about simple covering epithelium. By this video you can easily identify any simple covering epithelium. If you found this video is helpful, please subscribe my channel and please share this video.